Olympia. It's in London. Oh yeah, baby. So, stay tuned. We're gonna show you around about cool cars. You guys, we're going upstairs to have like a Ferrari experience.
Someone carry me out.
They are dear friends that we just met right now. They are lovely. And let's see. I'm actually let me keep the hat.
Blimey, it's a long
So
way.
let's keep the hat actually. And this is super cool.
Astrid, do you not think this is
I'm loving it.
It's kind of start hurting my heel now.
Yeah, my car hurts.
Tell Jerry not to make hats as well.
I keep buying it. It's so high.
Let's know it now. You will know that Jerry, you need to make hats as
You're all in the
well.
Ferrari, yeah?
We love hats.
We're going to get you all in the
We
Ferrari.
love a nice hat. And voila.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So you're all right for you girls?
Let's wait for Peter. He's just right there behind us. And there were more cars upstairs. I'm not even gonna.
Okay.
He's
Well,
like
not
never
now, I know.
ending.
First thing I did when I was 16 was bought a house.
Astrid is having
to get
the
away.
best time of her life.
Oh,
by the way.
nice. Wow,
She's
look at this.
She's about to like really get in the
Yes,
car.
please. What about the red one?
Peter is just talking to someone. He's just here.
Come to my Ferrari collection. No, I'm kidding. I haven't even got a car.
We're here.
Is this?
Is it all of hers? Is this all of his Ferrari? Yes.
Okay.
Yes. She knows.
Is he looking for another
He's
one?
my uncle. Didn't I
Is he
tell
looking
you?
for another one?
Oh, look how cool.
Yeah. What, do you want to lay on it and then like pose?
Let's go. I can't get that. She's like, I can't get this. Astrid, I don't know what she's done. I didn't even want to look at her. Honestly.
Okay. Well, hang on. Didn't we like sort of like recording this one when
When we were about to go get a drink. Honey. Hi.
About your racing driving history.
Wow.
Very famous.
Please.
Hello, girls.
Hello.
What do you want me to say?
Tell me about your racing history.
Yeah.
Yes.
When I was very young, at the age of 11, I used to go and stay with my two brothers at my grandfather's estate in Yorkshire. And one day he said, "Right, boys, you're going to go do some potato picking." No, so we went through this next farm, and in the farmyard, I needed a pee. So I went in the cowshed, had a slash, as they say, and I smelt petrol. Hello. Looked over there, there was rags and tyres and stuff, and there's a motorbike. I thought, oh, it was a 1914 World War I Douglas. I've got a picture on me here.
Oh, wow.
In here, yeah. And we bought it for £3 and we rode it around.
£3?
Yeah, £3.
Wow.
That's what it was like.
No way.
I'm telling you, darling, that's what it was like. And we rode it around, had a wonderful time, and I bought my brothers out. I gave them £1 each night. It was mine. And that's what started me. That's what started me with motorcycling. I had to ride bikes, and I raced motorbikes later on. And yeah, and then I one day went to see a friend in the car business in Shepherd's Bush. In about 1971, I said, "Look here." He said, "Have a cup of tea, Malcolm." I said, "Thank you." He said, "You look fed up." I said, "I am actually." "Why is that?" He said. I said, "I would think I would be quite good in a racing car." "How much money have you got?" He said. I said, "I've got £300. He said, "Bring it in tomorrow." So I bought it in tomorrow.
Yeah.
Right? I bought
Yeah.
£300 in.
Yeah.
And he said, "Get in the car." And we got in the car. We drove to South London, and we went up these
My
circuits.
side.
Yeah. Your area? You from South London?
Yeah, kind of southeast.
Where?
Southeast.
I used to live in Brockley.
Oh, Brooklyn. No, a little bit more like London side.
Okay. Anyway, up these circular stairs, and this little man in the office went, "Come in, come in." And Cliff Davis, my man, introduced me, and it was Bernie Eccleston. And he said, "How do you do? Have you got the money?" That's all he said. "How do you do? Have you got?" I said, Cliff Davis said, "This is Malcolm Clube." He went, "How do you do? Have you got the money?"
Not even.
And I looked at Cliff. I said, "Cliff, I haven't seen the car yet." "Malcolm, give him the money." This is how he counted the money.
Okay.
Like this.
Yeah.
Come closer.
300
Let's
quid.
see how he counted the money.
He counted the money like this.
Like this.
And then I had the car, and it was a Ford Anglia, and I raced
Yeah.
it, and for 6 races you have to have a cross on the back telling you the world that you're a novice. And if you drive, as you know, and if you drive okay, they take the cross off. That's how I started, and I finished up being sponsored. I went to a plant exhibition in Birmingham. There was a picture of Henry the Cooper on the stand selling a plant called Hilti. They make power tools. And Henry Cooper's going, "A great tool, this Hilti." I thought, hello. So I go on the stand and I asked to see the publicity director. And they said, well, actually, he's up at the factory at Liverpool. So we went up to Liverpool, my mate and I, had a meeting. I said, look, my name is Malcolm Clube. This is my history. I've won a lot of races. How about sponsor? He went, okay. So we did. So I'm now sponsored by Hilti. Paint Hilti on the car. I've got pictures on
Come on.
Yeah.
Big up.
And then I went, the first race was at Thruxton. And in those days I was married. And I went down with my ex-wife and my daughter. Who was now a late daughter. She was killed recently in an air crash. Yeah.
Oh, God,
yeah,
bless
terrible.
her.
Anyway, I went down to Thruxton. I got into the circuit. I saw a bloody great marquee over there with Hilti on it. I thought, oh, God, this is getting irresponsible now. This isn't a day out for a laugh. Do you understand me? This is serious. Anyway, I met all the people from Hilti, and then over the channel, attention paddock, GT cars, assembled the car, and I won the bloody race.
Wow.
This was absolutely good.
He deserves a round of applause, my friend
no,
here.
thank you. And that was it. And then I raced at Brands Hatch in another race, and all these Hilti. And this woman, she's one of the wives, she said, Malcolm, good luck in your race. And she chipped, with a purse, she chopped a bit of her skirt off and gave me the fabric. It's on the wall of my office. It's all manky and old now, but she said, good luck, and I've still got it. And that was the Brands Hatch, which you know very well. But it was an amazing time.
Lovely.
But nothing's forever. I raced all over.
It's not, and that's the beauty of the world.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your story. It was amazing. And let's take a picture as well,
Hang
of
on.
course.
Let me put my arm around your watch and bowl.
No, I am not. Guys, cheeky.
Lovely girls.
You work with the best Malcolm.
My dear chap, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you so much.
Great. Where are you from?
Me, Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yes.
You've been there.
Was that
Indonesia.
Philippines?
Philippines.
That's next door, isn't it?
Kind of.
How come you speak such good English?
Really? Oh, thank you. I've been here like for 5 years.
Well, I mean, I don't speak Indonesian. I've never been there.
Thank
Anyway, it's been a great pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Pleasure. Lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet Thank you.
Me.
Film them getting in.
Yeah.
Yes, we're gonna film. It's gonna like open the car for us. We're just gonna get in and we're just gonna see what's up in the car.
Hair in my eye.
Please.
Did you? It's not
I need to get in the car.
Thank you so much.
Can you take a video?
That's so low. Okay. Who wants to join me? Who's joining me? Yes, someone is joining me. Thank you. And are we gonna? Oh, that's cool. I'm just trying to. I don't know what I'm doing. Hey guys, so we are in the Ferrari and it's actually lovely. The seats are like very comfortable. I wish I could drive it, honestly. But yes, it's so cool. And apparently it's like leather. And so this is our second yellow car of the day. Apart, we had a Lamborghini with a mirror. Now we have like a Ferrari with Peter, our friend Peter. And what can I say? We're just loving it. What are your thoughts about it?
I just love the yellow, stands out.
It's true. She's absolutely right. Let me tell you, like the yellow turns out just like us, like superstars. But yes, now we're gonna have like here. There it is. Have a in. It's gonna take like some pictures of us right now. So let's go and see how it works. Oh yeah, that was a good angle.
Got them.
If we open the door, do you want to sit on the sill, Astrid?
Oh, you call me Astrid now.
Astrid,
Nice.
yeah, I'm
Okay.
calling you.
Oh, now we got some respect.
What's my name?
Bob.
Bob.
Right.
Okay.
That's a dildo cover, you don't want that in your face.
Oh no! Let's put it on the floor.
Okay.
Now girls, oh, look, almost.
More like here, baby. So otherwise you can't see.
Which way we
It's
going?
gonna be like money there.
Like that.
Yes, like that.
Got an itchy armpit.
You get the one. Hang on. Hey, try again.
She's doing a good job in the back. I'm going to hand it to Bethy.
Yeah.
Oh, now she has a name.
Bethy?
Bethy.
Who?
Bethy.
I
Bethy.
just call you B. It's a lot easier.
B.
B.
B. Queen B.
Queen Bee.
Let's
Okay,
go.
right. Right, okay, look, toilet cleaning with the itchy arm.
Oh, my Peony.
Astrid.
What?
I don't know.
Okay.
Can I get some look at the camera?
Okay, alright.
She's doing brilliant.
Okay.
That's it, perfect.
Okay.
Of course, we are also models.
Thank you, girl.
Oh, don't forget, you know, your little gift.
What do you expect to do with that?
What? It's good. Like it's covering on the
Have
side.
you got a car?
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant.
Bye.
Good if you got a motorbike. Where would you put it?
I think like I'm coming to
Let's
open
leave me on the
the
road.
side. I keep pressing stop.
Come on then, girl, what do you do?
Come on. Let's go.
Come on, B.
Oh my god, he's mental.
Right, well, that's good. That's it.
Okay, right.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Thanks so much. Thank
Girls,
you.
you're doing brilliant.
Thanks.
Thank you so much, girls.
Thank you so much. Boom.
Remember, B. Send me your, Yanni, send me your